And then now this one right here, Christmas and garland go together. So I just have this garland, and you can get this on sale a lot around the holiday time. So like I said, I got mine I think from Hobby Lobby, and I love this. It was so nice, so long, and it folds out. You can see it went from that to that. It folds out so nice. But you can also get garland from the Dollar Tree. To get a fuller effect though, you would just have to, buy a couple and like, floof it out real nice. And then I'm just taking and attaching my ornaments. You can wrap them around with the string. You can take and poke the little pieces through the top of the ornaments and then hook them closed. You can attach this in so many different ways. You can do it in groups. You can do it singular. And then I just hit it with a little bit of the faux snow, because it gives it that look, and then you can embellish it with whatever you want. But garland is just really pretty around the holiday time, and you can use this to do around your door frame. I have a big opening in my living room that has like it's like a little window into the kitchen. So I put garland around there every holiday, and it's just a cute little simple way to decorate. And like I said, you can do this around your door frames, you can do this around your front door, you can do this so many different places. But garland is a great way to bring a big pop to your home for the season without a lot of work.